Ethiopian troops patrol the streets of Baidoa in southwestern Somalia. In January, they joined the African Union mission and alongside Somalia's army have been pushing al-Shabaab fighters out of strategic towns in the region. The group, however, still holds sway over much of the countryside and has cut off supply routes to some of those towns. Somalia's Prime Minister told us that his government's priority is to get food to the affected people.
The plan is to focus on the social services. You know that Al-Shabaab destroyed many of the infrastructure. In Al-Bur, they destroyed the wells. And now we are focusing on alleviating that problem.
But the problem is not just the infrastructure. Al-Shabaab is leaving behind a political vacuum. Many are closely watching how the government handles the administration of the new areas now under its control.
The challenge is actually not to take territory, but to control territory and to hold it. And even more important, I think, to create those basic structures of governance, really, so that there is some stability.
In Mogadishu, Al-Shabaab has become bolder. This year, its fighters have staged daring attacks, including assaults on the presidential palace. The Prime Minister downplays the attacks as acts of desperation, but says the government has been reaching out to the more moderate members of the group.
We are sending messages. We are sending some members who used to be part of Al-Shabaab but who disengaged from them. So we are working very hard on, and we have seen the results. In many places, there are defectors who are coming to us.
More police checkpoints have now been set up around the city. Night patrols have also become regular. We go on one, driving through potential trouble spots with Ugandan troops of the African Union.
To keep the city safe, patrols such as this are crucial. In the last 2 weeks, about 1,000 suspected Al-Shabaab members have been arrested here in Mogadishu.
Ultimately, the responsibility of keeping Somalia safe lies with the country's security forces. But creating a strong force will take time. Many soldiers have little experience, are poorly paid and ill-equipped to fight a war that has become increasingly unconventional. Catherine Soy, Al Jazeera, Mogadishu.